I'm in Canada. I'm not in Canada, I'm actually at Los Angeles, the exact opposite location I want to be right now. But anyways, order of objectives, check in with my connecting flight to make sure that I have an assigned seat, and then when that's taken care of, I will have food. I'm starving. I'm in Canada now. Ta-da! Wow. It is very cold today. It is 26 degrees Fahrenheit or -8 degrees Celsius. It's pretty cold out. My legs are very cold. I did not wear thermals underneath because I think I didn't need them, but I'm cold now and we're on a walk, and I've only been walking for like 15 minutes and I already want to turn back. It's so beautiful though. Look at this. Look at the ice on the tree. Wow. This is gorgeous. There's Jason. Say hi, Jay. Hello. They're coming for us. Some carrot and celery. Wow. We have to eat out of containers because the dishes are dirty. Good morning, everyone. It's a new day. It's really nice this morning. It's a bit warmer than yesterday. I think it's about 31 degrees Fahrenheit, so a little colder than the inside of an indoor skating rink, which is something I'm very used to. I dressed up a lot more warmer because yesterday I forgot to put thermals under my jeans and my thighs were frozen by the end of my walk. But today is better. I'm getting stronger. I wanted to make a note about how nice the sun feels on a very cold day. Typically, I don't like the sun. I grew up in California my entire life, and in the summertime, I would often get very feverish or faint because it gets very, very hot there in the summer. And I always loved the fall and the winter seasons more, but we don't have, or at least in the Bay Area where I live, we don't really have a fall and a winter season. It's more of like a cold spring. But out here in Canada, when it's cold out, when it's under freezing and the sun hits you, it is such a delightful feeling. I don't know, something about like the subtle warmth within this cold, frigid landscape is just really, really nice and really satisfying. And I feel like I'm really energetic and not like drowsy. But anyways, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. That's where I am. That's where I'm headed. I'm headed to Jay's work, who is going to be finishing up their shift. And once I get there, we'll be grocery shopping together. I'll see you later. you got? Joey, what you got?
Chocolate croissant.
Yeah. Looks so tasty. Hot dog, croissant. Currently 5 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like negative 15. Oh, and it started snowing again. Negative 15 Celsius. It's a little cold and I'm just in my robe right now. It's so cool. Wow. Going to do a little shopping today at the dollar store because why not? Finally got a scarf. Now the snow won't hurt me anymore. Yay! I'm so glad I'm done. We're going to the drugstore.
Yes.
Because apparently there's a post office there, and I'm gonna go and send my sketchbook overseas.
Overseas?
Yippee! Overseas. No, not overseas. Back to California. Yes. Good morning or good afternoon. Today we are thrifting, and then we're going to have sushi dinner. It is so beautiful today. It snowed a ton last night. Wow. This is like Winter Wonderland. Okay, I'm coming. So right now, it is negative 25 degrees Celsius. 29 degrees Celsius. That's pretty cold. I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit, but I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, it's quite cold. That's where we're going. Valley Village. Yeah! Woo! Oh, my hand's getting really cold. Ah! is a bit cold today. It is negative 40 degrees Celsius with wind chill. My nostrils feel like they're freezing up. So I'm gonna go back inside now. Bye-bye. All of the cats decided to join me. Are you gonna do the snow angel? No. Okay. I would join you, but I don't want to get too cold. Wow.